To replace a reseated intelligence module in a Symmetra RM, first hit Escape to go to the main menu. Hit Enter on Control, then hit Enter on UPS and the bypass, and then Confirm. If done correctly, you should see the amber bypass light on, confirming that a logical bypass has started. Next, we'll activate the maintenance bypass by flipping the switch on the back of the Symmetra RM unit. After confirming that the Symmetra RM is in maintenance bypass properly, remove the front bezel and disconnect the cable connecting the PowerView display to the intelligence module. Next, loosen the screw that holds the intelligence module in place. A screwdriver is helpful here due to the tight space involved. Once the screw on the intelligence module has been sufficiently loosened, press and hold the latch on the intelligence module to the left and pull out to release it from the chassis. Next, reinsert the intelligence module back into the Symmetra RM, making sure that it's pushed all the way back so it properly engages the electrical connectors and back. If done properly, the latch also should re-engage. You'll then use a screwdriver to tighten down the screw on the front of the unit. Just please be sure not to over-tighten it. Next, we need to reattach the bezel to the front of the Symmetra RM. Just please be sure to attach the Ethernet cable that connects it to the PowerView display first. Finally, flip down the maintenance bypass switch to take the UPS out of bypass.